Trim set throttles to 22, so we're going to push up their mixtures a little bit. Go up to 2200, or 2200. There you go. Keep on doing it. Push up the right one a little bit more. There you go.
All right.
Okay. Then mixture set for power, so we're going to pull one back, and where it just drops, we're going to push it back to just at the peak, and the other one. There's a drop. We're going to go back to peak again. Okay. And we're going to exercise the props. We're just going to take one and just 1 to 200 drop. That's way too much.
Way too much.
Yeah, just like that.
Okay.
We don't want to feather it. We just want to exercise it. We just want to see if they move at high speed. Then exercise mag check. We'll take the thing.
Ground.
There we go. We're looking at the drop. Back to boat. Left side.
On the bear north.
Back there.
We're ready, taxi. We'll go south.
Left.
Okay.
Drop.
Stuff 172.
And car B check. So push them both down. Wait for about 5 seconds to make sure there's no change.
172 Romeo Alpha.
And bring them back up. Then throttle to 1500.
Jeffco Ground Commander 4613 Whiskey out of the T hangars at Alpha 5 with Zulu for takeoff, VFR eastbound.
Commander 4613 Whiskey Metro Ground, good morning. Taxi to runway 29 right.
29 right, Commander.
Okay, now we're going to do the feather check. So you're going to bring it all the way back, go past the detent, let it come up. We're going to see a drop, a rise, and a drop of oil pressure. So I just reverse back and forth, left, right.
Just cycle them once?
3 times. Actually, we can do it twice since it's already flown once.
Metro Ground, Cessna 490-441 at Western Air, taxi northbound with Zulu.
Okay. Then we do our gyro and load meters. Gyros down there, everything's in the green. Vacuum pump left and right, gyro there. We got a light on here. We're going to disconnect the left alternator, right picks it up. And that's good. Telling me it's working.
We don't cycle the right.
We can cycle the right, but the left's going to pick up the load. See, we got an under voltage light on, and what's happening is the resistance of the cables are getting so old that's creating a low voltage. So we turn off the left alternator, and the right one picks up the load. So it's still working, and there's a little meter box. Well, that meter box was a junk. Per the mechanic, says junk when they first made it, and it's still a piece of junk, but unfortunately there's nothing to replace it with.
I got you.
So they can replace all the cables and get everything brand new. And he said the next week it'll be the light again. So we're going to, when we get the props overhauled, we're going to probably replace everything again, just to get everything, good start on it. All right, then we bring it back to idle. And fuel pumps back on, or check on. All right, put the throttle 1000. There we go.
Fuel pumps are on.
Okay, fuel pumps are on, doors secure, parking brake release, engine.
L-Nil Tug, Metro Ground.
Probably 29 right.
Okay, nice camera action. And we're going to do set takeoff power, make sure rich, accelerate. And we're going to climb. We're looking for a blue line, so we're going to climb about 71. We're going to rotate about 71 to 75.
Okay.
Okay. Then once you rotate off the ground, we're going to pitch for the blue line, which is 85 knots.
Gotcha.
Once we get to 1,000 feet, you'll pitch for 100 knots. Okay, 1,000, 100. Just drop a 0 and you got your 100.
71, 85, and 100.
Speed and altitude permit. Start your right turn. Faster traffic will depart behind.
Hey.
There we go.
We will turn right as soon as practical. 90 Charlie.
Lear 9 Bravo, Charlie. Cessna departing ahead is northbound. Turn right, the long way around. Turn right, heading 140.
We can roll
right,
up.
third for takeoff.
Right turn to 140, clear for takeoff 29 right, 9 Bravo Charlie.
And Metro Ground 244, ready for sequence 29 right, northbound.
Dutchess 60244 Metro Tower, you're behind Warrior 3909er, hold short, runway 29 right.
Holding short, 29 right, Dutchess 60244.
Okay, as usual, since our props are already set, I'm just going to keep my hand on the power, on the throttle.
On the throttle, just ease it nice and forward, just like a Cessna.
Helicopter 1 runway 0,
Alright,
taxiway Delta East, clear for the option.
There's nothing really spectacular.
Flaps are 0.
Flaps are 0.
Okay.
And just let it go forward. You're going to use a little bit of rudder, light rudder, and just keep it center line.
Gotcha.
If something happens in flight, if we have available runway and we're still on the ground, we're going to chop and stop. Just chop the powers down, hit the brakes, and work those rudders. I don't want to leave the center line. If we lose power after rotation, we'll make a landing straight ahead. We're not going to bother making turns because we'll never make it. Okay? If we're 1,000 foot, we'll be able to glide and maybe land on runway 2 or on this one.
Really?
Okay? If we're 1,000 feet high. Okay, that gives us traffic pattern altitude. So,
northwest departure.
this thing does, it can climb, well, technically you can climb a single engine at sea level. Of course, you know, this is Colorado and sea level is not a mile away to be seen, so.
Now yours, we'd like to cross Bravo via 29 left and proceed down.
Does one of these throttles lag the other?
A little bit, but you just push them both forward.
Okay, full forward.
I think the needle's sticking a little bit.
Okay.
Oh.
Metro Tower, helicopter 1 Alpha Papa is on the Gopher Delta west side.
Helicopter 1 Alpha Papa, taxiway Delta
This is
west,
a well-used
option.
training machine. It's the
38 cross,
best one in Colorado.
Echo as requested.
In a sense, oh yeah, there's some out there that people refuse to fly and they come here.
Roger, this maintenance 38, we'd like to amend that clearance and go for Bravo instead of Echo.
It's always trying to convince the owners to spend more money to fix something that's old.
Twins don't make any money.
Roger, maintenance 38, Painter on Bravo, we'll report when clear.
Dutchess 244,
Does the owner fly this one?
right, clear for takeoff, right turn approved.
All right, clear for takeoff, right turn approved, 244.
I'm going to take my time on this.
Yeah, that's perfect.